Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your TCL Sweeva 6500. To factory reset this robot, first make sure that it's on. To turn it on, if the lights are not on, just press and hold on the power button for 3 seconds. Then you can release it. You'll hear the sound, and then after a while you'll hear that it's turning the device on. And now after it says turning on, you can start factory setting. To do that, it's pretty easy. You just need to press and hold on the home button for 15 seconds. So let's start.
The device will restore factory settings.
After these 15 seconds, when it says it will restore factory settings, you can release the button. Then wait a moment to make sure that it's restored the settings. And after that, you'll be able to just turn it on by pressing and holding on the power button. And now your robot is on, it has been reset. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.